What's up guys, Tech Flash here, and today we are going to talk about the latest Huawei Mate series, which is going to coming out later this year. And Mate series is the phone from Huawei with large batteries, massive displays, and a premium looking design. And if I'm being honest here, Mate series is the phone from Huawei which usually innovates for every single thing. Now, if you talk about Huawei P series, they are usually focusing on the camera technology, while on the other hand, Mate series is focusing on the small quirky features which we all like. So we are getting new display technologies, we are getting new camera technologies, we are also getting some interesting charging technologies. And last year with Mate 20 Pro, Huawei seriously knocked it out of the park, and this time around we are expecting the same. Now, Mate 30 Pro was expected to come out with the Huawei latest operating system called the ArcOS, but now, as you know, the ban has finally been lifted. So, Mate 30 is supposedly coming up with the latest version of Android, which is going to be Android Q for the time being. Previous leaks and rumors suggested that Huawei Mate 30 Pro will have quite similar design to what you saw with Mate 20 Pro, but with another extra camera which you saw with P30 Pro. But now the recent leaks and rumors suggest that the rear design of Mate 30 Pro is going to be quite different from what the Mate series has been offering us for quite some time now. A recent leak for the back panel of Mate 30 Pro suggested that the camera design on Mate 30 Pro is going to be a circular camera, and this time around there is a massive hole in the center of the glass, which suggests that the camera technology used on this cell phone is going to be quite good. Also, this camera is supposedly coming with 4 camera sensors similar to what you saw with P30 Pro. Now you might see some normal improvements here and there, but the whole camera orientation is going to be quite similar. So you are getting a primary camera, a wide angle camera, a periscope camera which supposedly will get you 50 or maybe 60x digital zoom. Also, there is going to be an LED flash. Now, the leaks and rumors are not stopping on the rear side of the cell phone, as we also saw the front panel leak for the Mate 30 Pro, and the front panel looks quite similar to what you saw with the Huawei P30 Pro, but this time around it's a bit wider. Also, the place where camera modules are usually located has been blurred out in the image, which suggests that you can maybe seeing a new camera technology, or you can just see something similar to Huawei P30 Pro, which had a water drop notch and a single camera on the front. Now, it is going to be quite interesting to see which route Huawei takes with Huawei Mate series, because last year Huawei Mate 20 Pro had a 3D facial recognition tech installed on the front side of the device, while with P30 Pro they removed it. So it will be interesting to see whether Huawei brings back those facial recognition technologies, or Huawei is going to stick with the normal 2D scanning, which is not that secure, by the way. As far as the internals are concerned, not much has changed since my last video, and the internals include a Kirin 985 chipset, which we haven't seen, by the way, in any leaks or rumors, but it is going to be a 7nm chipset, and it is going to be paired with a Balloon 5000 5G modem, which is the same modem you saw with Huawei Mate X, the foldable phone. Another interesting leak regarding the Mate series is that the whole lineup is going to be 5G compatible, and this is a big deal because last year we saw many companies launch their 5G variants, but all their flagship phones were coming with 4G variants as well. But this time around, Huawei may finally take the leap and make all their variants 5G compatible. Now, this is going to be a big deal because this will raise the prices of each and every single device in the lineup. Now, I'm pretty excited about the Mate series, but we are not sure how the camera technology is going to pan out and whether Huawei will be updating the camera hardware with their Mate series, or they are going to keep the camera hardware same and update everything else. Do let me know what you think about Huawei and their recent fiasco with the Google and the whole US ban thing. And also, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.